everyone? Got a 2019 Hyundai Sonata. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the remote key fob battery. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is remove the emergency key from the remote. To do that, you hit this button right here in the corner and slide it out, okay? Now you can look inside of this and you can see there's a hole or a slot for the emergency key here. And right next to it in the center, there's like a little baby slot. We're going to use that to pry this thing open using the screwdriver, okay? So put your screwdriver like right in here like this and just pry it up like that, and you'll hear it all kind of open up. See how it open up there? It might be kind of crazy looking, but that's how you do it. And then just pop it right open. Okay, this is what you got. Okay, here's the front. We're gonna put that away. All right, so now what you can do is take out the circuit board, and it will just come right out, just like that. And there's the battery there. What we gotta do is just pry it out of here. And I'll show you what size the battery is. The battery is gonna be a CR 2032 battery with the positive sign facing down in the back of the remote. Just stick it right back in here. Just like that, it'll click and pop right back into place. All right, if you need a battery, check the description box. I'll have a link there for new batteries. Take it to Amazon. If you need the actual size again, it'll be all right there. Just get the circuit board and just put it right back where you got it. Lay it in there like that. And get the other half of the remote. We're gonna put these back together like this. And we're just gonna squish and click it all back together. You get your emergency key, stick it back in, and if it locks, you're good to go. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. Drop me a like, leave me a comment.